Hi to everyone. We are in variation, and in the last video, I did a ratio and proportion, and now variation. Variation is a change in variable terms or parameters in mathematics. Change in variable terms in expression. Variable terms are parameter in mathematics. Mathematics is called variation. So there are two things we deal with two quantities. So there are two things in variation. The first one is variable. We represent variable in maths x, y, z, and a, b, and c. So this is a variable we represent by these terms in mathematics x, y, z, and a, b, c. While the constant we represent usually by c, and it's remained constant. It didn't change in any expression or in any equation, and it is like 1 2 3 4 or integer minus plus minus and real number. So the simple example is the change in temperature. Today is very hot in Toronto area in summer, so it's maybe feel like 40 degree. So now in the afternoon, maybe it's 40 by with humidity, and then afternoon and later in noon, it gonna change to 36. In the morning is 30, and with plus humidity. So this is the best example of variation, temperature variation. So there are two types of important there are two types of variation. Number one, direct variation. Direct variation. Direct variation, let's say x is directly proportional to y. X is increasing, y is also increasing. It's a function and it's a variation. The second one, it's pretty common, inverse variation, like 1 by x. Inverse variation. So let's say x is inversely proportional to y. When x is increasing, y is decreasing. Y is increasing, decreasing, then x. So it's inversely proportional. One is decreasing, other is decreasing. So direct proportion. Example of direct proportion is when you start melting. um, Direct variation. So when iron is heated, such that if you increase the heat, when iron is start heated, so when you increase the heat, the iron is melting. So it's mean that iron, we represent iron in chemistry and maths and anywhere, like this is directly proportional to h is equal to heat. This is related to physics also. But what we do, there is always a constant. We put constant kh, while k is constant. It's not changing. There is something which not. Let's say energy. If you are heating, so energy from one form is changed to another form. So when you find out the k is equal to the melting iron divided by the heat. So this is how we do in mathematics. Where k is constants. In inverse proportion, inversely proportional, inverse proportion, inverse variation, sorry, variation. So if one quantity is increasing, other is decreasing, or if one decreasing, other increasing, so it's called variation. So let's say we represent this by A is inversely proportional to B. So if there are two quantities, A is increasing while B is equal to decreasing. A is increasing, so how you gonna do it? You gonna put the constant. So A is equal to, you gonna put constant. There is something which is constant, which doesn't change. The quantities change from one form to another form, or one form to another, but there is something that's constant. So that's called constant of the relation. K is equal to called the constant of the relation. Relation. So where is why where is so like there is another example which is if x is equal to, let's say, 2, y is equal to 3, how you can find k when they are inversely proportional? When they are inversely proportional, are they are varying inversely. So answer is, so x is inversely proportional to 1 by y, because x is increasing, y is decreasing, one quantity is increasing, another is decreasing. We gonna put constant what I showed you, k by y. So we are given that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So putting value here in this one, in this equation, 2 into k divided by 3, r implies that k is equal to 2 into 3. We're gonna bring it here. So s is equal to 6. So the constant is equal to 6. So this is mathematics. So today I have covered ratio in first video. The second I covered proportion, and third one I covered the variation. Variation is two type: directly proportional and inversely proportional. Thank you, and have a nice day. And if you are enjoying my video in maths and other related topic, we also do project management. I also do project management. If you guys like it, in the physics, I will also do physics later, and there is a engineering projects, any type of project like civil, Microsoft, sorry, software, hardware, and mining engineering. You gonna say mining engineering, and also some natural video. So thank you and have a nice day.